Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into an exciting review of the RK Royal KLUDGE R75 mechanical keyboard, a stylish and highly functional gadget tailored for gamers and typists alike. Get ready to discover what makes this 75% keyboard a compelling choice for both gaming and productivity. First off, let's talk about the overall build quality. The RK R75 features a sturdy yet sleek design that's not only visually appealing, but built to endure the rigors of daily use. The gasket mount construction offers a unique feel, providing a satisfying thwack with every keystroke, enhancing your typing experience while maintaining a modern aesthetic. One of the standout features of the R75 is its hot swappable linear switches. This means you can easily swap out the switches without any soldering, allowing for a flexible typing experience that you can customize based on your preferences. Whether you prefer a lighter or heavier touch, you can tailor this keyboard to fit your style perfectly. Plus, the creamy sound produced when typing is simply music to the ears, making long typing sessions feel effortless. Let's not overlook the RGB backlighting. The RK-R75 offers vibrant RGB lighting that can be customized through software, allowing you to choose from an array of colors and effects. Whether you want to set a specific mood with a soft glow, or go all out with dynamic lighting effects during gaming, this keyboard has you covered. The MDA Profile Keycaps not only contribute to the stunning aesthetic, but also add a comfortable typing surface, making every keystroke enjoyable. For gamers, the inclusion of a volume knob is a thoughtful touch, providing easy access to volume control without needing to fumble through software or settings mid-game. This feature is particularly useful for fast-paced gaming sessions where every second counts. The R75 is designed to keep you in the zone without distractions. Now let's discuss compatibility. The RK R75 keyboard is versatile and works seamlessly with both Windows and Mac systems, making it a great investment for anyone who uses multiple devices. Additionally, the software provided with the keyboard allows for extensive customization, letting you program macros, adjust lighting settings, and fine-tune your key responses. In conclusion, the RK Royal KLUDGE R75 mechanical keyboard packs a punch with its combination of stylish design, customizable features, and solid performance. Whether you're an avid gamer, a professional writer, or just someone who appreciates a quality keyboard, the R75 hits all the right notes. With its hot swappable switches, vibrant RGB lighting, and user-friendly volume knob, this keyboard serves as a fantastic piece of tech that enhances your overall computing experience. So if you're in the market for a new mechanical keyboard that combines functionality with flair, the RK Royal KLUDGE R75 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into our review, and happy typing!